Our morning here at Endless Summer has been schoolwork. I was kind of shocked. The kids actually wanted to do schoolwork this morning. And then we got Starbucks. And then we started watching K-pop videos. That is our morning here at Universal Orlando Resort. Sure, we can go to a theme park and play. Nope, we're gonna do schoolwork and watch K-pop videos. And that's the kids behind me. But it's been a fun morning, fun time hanging out with the family. But we have finished up all of our work and we are ready to head off to Universal Studios. It is so windy today. Look at this. Crazy windy. This is gonna be fun going to Universal in a crazy wind.
Definitely the most handsome guy on earth, who also steals the hearts of men.
Yes. And what do you think about?
We're here. We're at Universal Studios. Yeah. And it is not busy. We're like walking right up to the front entrance. Nobody around us at all. Woohoo!
I just met the bravest man in the world. He was wearing a Cincinnati Bengals shirt. Only the bravest of men would wear that.
They have a holiday outpost already here at Universal Studios with all of the cute stuff. Look at the little hats. Let's check out some of the fun holiday merch. All of the Coca-Cola stuff. Oh, look at the bear. Oh yeah, I like that one.
I'm trying to find all the things for you.
Yeah, so I need the scarf and the gloves and the hat. The whole outfit right there.
Oh, and the shirt.
I just need the shoes to go with it.
This is for you.
Ho ho no. The Christmas tree is up here at Universal Studios and we're gonna wander around to see if we can find the chipmunk. I don't know if you guys remember.
I see a broken one.
Do you see it? But they always have a chipmunk that's an animated chipmunk in the Christmas tree that kind of pops out and pops back in. I love all the decorations here at King's Cross. It is beautiful. And by the way, Earl the squirrel. I said chipmunk, but it is a squirrel, and Earl the squirrel is in the tree. We couldn't find him, but we're gonna head back later on tonight when the tree's all aglow to see if we can find him then. But for now, we're gonna head over to Men in Black. It's only got a 10-minute wait, and we're ready to kill some aliens. Pew, 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 pew.
Diagon Alley.
This is what we're gonna get for dinner here at Diagon Alley. Eels or jellied eels? Stewed or jellied? Which do you guys think? Leave a comment. Yes? Jellied eels for dinner? No? How about leaky cauldron? And for me, I just got a little cottage pie, and I got some grapes and applesauce, and that is perfect for me. Kelly got his favorite, which is fish and chips. We're gonna dive in here at Leaky Cauldron and enjoy our dinner. To hop on the Hogwarts Express to head over to Islands of Adventure. Kelly wants to go on Spider-Man, and I want to see the Seuss Landing Christmas decorations. Fingers crossed that we can fit it in before the park closes at 10 o'clock tonight.
Lucas refers to the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
We had fun at Islands of Adventure, got to ride Spider-Man twice, Hulk, and even got to see the Christmas decorations at Seuss Landing. So overall, an amazing day. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Keep on dreaming. Bye. Hunter's trying on some Minion shirts. Love you all.